So today we will see client billing and payment tracker. So we will come to the our raw sheet where we are feeding the data. So here you can see client name. First we will adjust. So here you can see client name, the billing date, due date, the total amount which is due, and how much payment has been received, what is the outstanding value, and on which date it is supposed we have got the payment. So the payment method, whether it is cash, UPI, net banking, credit card, what is the invoice number, and if there is some payment terms and conditions, and what is the invoice status, whether it is overdue, pending, or paid. And if there is something notes or remarks from your side, you can enter it here. So now we will go to the dashboard and see how it works. So this is the dashboard. So here you can see the total amount which is due. This is the sum of the total value. Then the total payment which you have received till now, and then the total outstanding. Then there is a nice pie chart to represent how much invoice is overdue, how much invoice is pending, and how much invoice has been paid. Then this donut chart represents you payment method breakdown. So as you can see, which payment method, how much we have received. So cash we have got 6, UPI we have got 5, credit card we have got 3, and net banking we have got only 5. So next chart which we comes to is outstanding amount by client. So here we can see that certain clients have zero outstanding value, which means they have already cleared all their dues, and certain clients have outstanding values. Client 1, as you can see, 250 is the outstanding currency. We can always set from the backend. Client 2, 744 is the outstanding. Client 7, client 8, client 17. So in a nice histogram chart, we can see what is the outstanding value by each client. Then there is payment received by payment method. How much payment we have received via which method. Cash we have received this much, UPI we have received this much, net via net banking we have received this much, and via credit card we have received this much. This is a 3D bar chart showing different payment methods, how much we have received. So finally we come to a area chart which is showing amount due by due date. So how much amount is due on which respective due date, you can figure it out here. As you can see, 3/4/2025 this much has been due, 7/4/2025 this much has been due. Based on the information which has been fed on our Google Sheet, we have already defined the due date and how much amount has been due. So now we come to the last one, which is amount due versus payment received. So suppose here in the graph we can see that client 1, we have already payment received is 3506 and the due is 3756. So it's a nice comparison to show that which client has paid how much, and after paying what is the value still due on his part. So that's a nice client billing and payment tracker system. Do remember that all these graphs and whatever methods we are using can be customized as per your needs. Feel free to contact.